Hello everybody, I'm here today with Owen and we're going to be conducting an auction selling Owen's orchard real estate and equipment. Coming up on December 7 is going to be the real estate and December 14 the equipment. And we're here to talk with Owen a little bit because he's got a very nice and a modern apple grading line here that we thought would be good to get a little bit of information from for all of you that might be interested in it. Now Owen, you bought this how many years ago or so?
Well, the sizer was bought in
so 2017, wasn't it?
2017. Everything else on this line predates that a
Okay.
little bit, but it's all been new since 2012.
All right. Can you tell us a little bit about it's a compact spectrum sizer?
Yes.
Tell us just a little bit about it.
Well, we bought it mainly to get internal defect sorting for
Okay.
honeycrisp.
Okay.
And it has external defect sorting and also is wired for the internal defect sorting.
All right.
Problem with honeycrisp is some years the crop can have internal browning. If
Okay.
you don't have that equipment, you can't grade it.
All right. So you've got it's set up for the external now, and the part that you needed for the internal, you had leased that, so that's gone, but they can easily get that if they'd
Yeah,
like.
that was a leased item that Compac didn't know.
Right.
They
Right.
lease it and
Yep.
in turn charge you for it
Yep.
by the year.
Now you bought this, didn't you, after you had a fire or something, or what was the situation?
We had a fire in 2012
Yeah.
that we lost all buildings except for greenhouse and one pole barn and our sprayer load area.
Okay.
So on the 3rd of July.
All right.
And we ended up finding a used grader line for that fall.
Okay.
And since then, everything's been replaced.
Okay. So we were going to offer the sizer here separate from some of the other pieces, and the sizer comes with the computers and the control panel that runs the whole line itself too, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And then I believe we've got, what, a washer waxer that we're going to sell as a separate item?
Yes. The washer waxer absorber
Yep.
is, that was new probably about 2014. 15.
Okay. All right. And then there's a drying tunnel?
The drying tunnel was put in after that date at
Okay.
some point. I can't tell you what year off the top
Okay.
of my head.
All right.
And the dump tank was built locally,
Okay.
all stainless steel and built to the same specs of the one we had.
All right.
And that was new probably 2015, 16 in that area.
All right. And then there's the bagging part of it, a 10 unit or 10 head bagger,
Well, that's part of the compact sizer.
part of the sizer.
Yes.
And then there's a bin filler we're going to sell separate, I believe.
Yes, that's the bin filler. That came from New Zealand also.
All right.
Compact.
All right. And then we had one.
It's a very gentle bin filler.
Okay. And then a tray packer, right?
Yes.
That's separate also.
One newer tray packer.
All right.
We've got an older one also.
But yeah, I think the newer one was an FSI or FHS brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Good. So you were using this up until 2 years ago, right?
Yes.
All right. And it's ready to go as far as just need to be started up and it'll go.
Yeah, and with what's involved, whoever would move it probably would want to hire a Compact to
Right.
help with the move.
Right.
So everything works when you get done.
Right. Yep.
There's a service facility here in Michigan,
Yeah, because they're out of what, New Zealand?
Auckland, New Zealand.
Auckland, New Zealand.
But there's enough compact equipment in Michigan. They've got a service facility here with maintenance people.
Well, and that's important, right? Because when you need service, you want someone around here, right?
I don't think this is something I don't know how to fix. I know
Right.
that.
Okay. Okay. But otherwise, when you quit, it was in good operating condition and ready to go.
Yeah.
All right. So, folks, we're going to be selling this. The real estate, again, is December 7, but the equipment will be December 14. And it's a really good outfit. We hope you get a chance to come on down here and look it over ahead of time. We'll have a little bit more information on our website too. But again, selling December 14.